Hello, this is Greg. I purchased this out of just a store in town. They call it grocery outlet. It's just a little, says it's a Vista Crest vacuum cleaner. What caught my attention on it was that it has this blower out the back. Got that. What we got here? There we go, blower at the back. So anyway, that's what caught my attention. Let's see how it's going to work. There we go. All right, let's see what's in here. Can we go back out to one again? There we go. Parts, accessory kit, vacuum cleaner, and this is the user's manual. Spared no expense, eh? All right. We've got a handle here. Accessory kit, charging cable, little brush, and little adapter thing. So, and this here is, how's our view up here? Come down to about 10, get a little closer. And here is a filter. Looks like it just sits in here. Yeah, it just sits in there on that line. And then kind of, that's a little loose right there, but okay. So this, yeah, I definitely want to try and tighten that up a little bit somehow. We'll see how it works. It's got a little button here. Oh, kind of loud. And this is one of the reasons, here's one of the reasons I wanted this thing. Here's that. And here's something else. Here's a little chip, and here's a little surface mount. Let's try this one right here. Okay, got these two little guys right here. It won't suck him up, and it won't suck him up. Okay, let's try it this way. Oh, it took that right up. Oh, it took that right up. Okay. Now watch this. There it is. There's the chip. There's both of them are right there. So in my shop vac, when I accidentally do that, I just don't even try to recover them. But I've had my shop vac trying to do it in here and suck stuff from over there up. So let's, what do we got here? This goes in here like this. So this is going to work out for me. Just like that. That goes on there. So yeah, I'll leave that like that. And then this must be, oh yeah, this must be what they were talking about, the blower. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. Yeah, look at that. It did. It blew it right away. What do we got here? What's this light bulb? So, yeah, that works too. So, yeah, This was like $10. And, you know, I don't want to say it's not, you know, I mean, it's a little handheld device. It's light. It's, you know, I don't want to say it's overly chintzy, but this little thing could be tighter. Let's see, let's check this little cable out and see how it works. What do we have? They're so short. It's hard to... Let's plug this in and turn that on. And don't worry about the voltage on that. It's a USB plug. And then I want to plug this into here. And what do we got here? And yeah, it's, well, we'll have to read that upside down for a minute. And let me make this view a little bigger. Yeah, it's putting out 4.88 volts. Oh, come on now. Sorry, I'm having mice problems here. I need to find a wireless one someplace. Okay, now let's plug this in and see if it charges. And yes, it is taking 0.39 of an amp. 0.4 or 400 milliamps, I guess is what you would call that, wouldn't you? At 4.37 volts. So yes, that it's taken a charge. So I would call that a functional little vacuum cleaner here, huh? And what I really like is the ability to where if I accidentally suck something up that I need, or even if I've dropped something on the floor that I can't find, I can maybe use this and recover it. Maybe. So yeah, if you're not, you know, this is kind of a different little review, but it is for my electronics station, and I'll play it back. If it's coherent, I think I will show this to you guys because I think this is going to be very handy. I'm just going to leave it just like this. Maybe if I want more of suction, I'll pull this off, but this will keep it all together. Just have to find a little spot right over there. Done. I like it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.